Hi, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I love to do store vlogs, decorating, and lifestyle videos. I just made myself some coffee, added that white raspberry creamer. For today's video, I'm gonna be decorating on top of my new wine cooler. It's a dual and it's so cool. It comes in handy, especially for the holidays, to kind of give it that bar cart look, and because then your guests come in, you could give them a nice refreshing drink. And not even that, guys, it is from EMAPAVA appliances. If you guys haven't heard about EMAPAVA appliances, well, let me tell you. So EMAPAVA is an appliance store. They reached out to me and wanted to collab and partner with me. I went on their website and their Instagram, so make sure to follow them and see all the new stuff they come out with, and it's very nice and high-end. Going on their website, I noticed they have cooktops, ovens, they have wine coolers, tubs. If you're looking for a nice upgrade, look up on EMAPAVA appliance. Like, it's very cool, especially the wine cooler that I have. I'm gonna have it linked so you guys could see, and you're gonna see me open it, install it, and start the decorating from there. So let's go. Thank you, EMAPAVA, for collabing with me. So I'm unboxing Christmas still. As you could see, I have my boxes there, and this is the beautiful, the one and only wine cooler, and this one is from EMAPAVA Professional. Look how beautiful, a nice stainless steel. And then this is the cool part, it's a dual, so you're gonna get your beverages right here, your cans, and then next to this you're gonna add your wine, your apple cider. Sometimes you don't have room in your original fridge, and this will come in handy. So let me open this. I could start adding some stuff in here and start the decorating. So this is where I'm gonna be decorating. I think this is a cute corner of a space, and it needs to be nice and jolly. So let's get started. Okay, so this is cool. It comes with this right here, very professional of their stuff, and it comes with the little handbook of instructions. Even has like the temperature settings and all that. And it's cool because you could just leave it like this, how it comes originally, or move these little wire baskets so you can see like what fits best for you. And then you just add the screws back here, like you just lift this and then screw it in, which is so cool, very easy. Let's do the other door. So all I have to do is set the temperature, and then it even has this blue light that makes it look so bougie. Now with the holidays coming up, I feel like this is perfect, and this is gonna be a cute little corner, nice and cozy. And I do have a small home, but I feel like this is functional, and it's kind of like my little bar cart, which makes it even more exciting. And then next to that is my hot cocoa bar, and I'm all set for hosting this whole holiday season. Okay, I'm telling you, it was so easy to install. Even the door handles were so easy. You just screw it in like I showed you guys. It's so easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now that I have this running right here, changing the temperature, and I have to wait for it to cool for me to actually add drink. Now I'm gonna be adding my decor, which is exciting because I love decorating every corner. Like, if every corner could be decorated, I'm okay with that. charcuterie board that I saw online, and I think it's so cute. And I think this one is probably one of the easiest charcuterie board ideas, and it's a Christmas tree. So let's start hosting together. I feel like a Christmas tree charcuterie is just another way of being festive. Now all you have to do is basically layer them in different levels, and I added grapes, cheese, and they were kind of crumbled, but honestly I feel like it just gives it that rustic look to give it some texture. And then even adding 2 types of grapes, I think that is pretty. Layering this is very fun. And then I even added these little dessert, I forgot what they're called. I went to my backyard once again to get some rosemary. That rosemary really does come in handy, especially this time of year. And look how fun and festive and simple it was to make. And for the bottom, for the little tree trunks, I used those skinny Italian little breadsticks, and then on top I added the cute little star. It's not the best looking star. In every video, I love to do a little mocktail or a beverage. So for today, I'm gonna be grabbing my glass, smash some raspberries, and then I'm gonna be adding my lemon elderflower French soda. And for garnish, I'm gonna add some mint and cranberries. And look at this, nice, fun, and festive and ready to drink. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you once again, EMAPAVA, for collabing and partnering with me. It was so much fun. With all that said, have a cozy day.